bicycles? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Another Tuesday afternoon with a handsome baby-faced Pastor Wiz right here. And just listening to that welcome, I am giving thanks, certainly giving thanks this afternoon. Well, Wiz, thank you so much for that welcome. We're stepping up. We're just trying something new this afternoon. So a little bit of challenge here, huh? Would you say?
Yeah, well, we can have this.
We can have the stuff. All right, all right. Well, thank you so much for that welcome. How are you doing this Tuesday afternoon?
Well, I'm just blessed to be in your company and this
Oh yes, I'm giving thanks to giving thanks. All right, for another day, a beautiful Tuesday afternoon in South Florida. That's right, WABS Radio. What's better? What's better? Good Tuesday afternoon to everyone. Welcome to another edition of the Reaching New Heights program. We will be taking you up to 3 p.m. Coming up at 1:30, we have Inspirational Thoughts. And of course, at 1:36, we have Bible Trivia, sponsored by Ella Davis Day Spa. If you can answer the Bible question correctly, you will be taking a trip over there to Ella Davis Day Spa. Of course, our guest specialists, they come up later on in the program at 2:36. We have Pastor Wiz back with the love segment. That's right. So if you are married this afternoon, he has some info for you, great info for you, very special information for you this afternoon. It's always great having you with us. Certainly we are hoping that you will be inspired this afternoon. Glad to have you with us.
They put that record back on, man. That's a big song, powerful song. The great voice of Arthur Rollin from his brand new He's Made a Way CD, and the man says, unless the Lord builds the house, they that labor
in vain. Psalm 127 verse 1, that's right. Reaching out to Miss Maureen over there at the First Baptist Church of Plantation. How are you doing this afternoon?
Hey, Miss Maureen!
Don Maria the Wiz with the Reaching New Heights program. It's now 19 minutes on the downside of 1.
Let everything that hath breath praise ye the Lord. Let's exalt his name together. Let's rejoice before the King of Kings, the mighty God.
find the time to listen to you guys every Tuesday.
Well, and we appreciate that very much. I know you have it locked this afternoon.
Because let me tell you something. You inspired me. You gave me the drive. You gave me that zeal to love the Lord more. Because when I listen to your songs, let me tell you, man, you guys taking the world by storm.
Yeah.
Which song is that?
All of the songs.
Well, I tell you, all of these songs, man, all of them, you're just moving people's hearts, you know, you're just touching the hearts of the soul of the living. You're just giving us that drive.
That's the idea.
There's no word to express myself to tell you. You just put us in the mood, you know, and give us that drive and that direction to stay close to the Lord, because it is just wonderful. Life is just good. Life is good.
And it's all about him, you know. So once you get closer to him, yeah, that's the idea, you know.
It is beautiful. It is so wonderful, and I find it my duty wherever I am. Every Tuesday, I gotta hurry up if I'm on the street. I gotta hurry up to a safe place.
Well, we want to thank you for checking in with us this afternoon. What's your first name?
Eden is my name.
Okay, Eden. Here's what you do. Here's what you do for me.
Yeah.
Stay close to Jesus.
Oh, I always do, and I always will.
Praise God.
I cannot ask for anything better.
Praise God. Thanks for checking in with us this afternoon.
Life is real good.
Praise God.
We're giving thanks.
Thank you so much for checking in with us this
But
afternoon.
when you get over here, I need to get the name of these CDs.
All right, we'll do it.
Like right now, and go to the shop to get them.
Okay, He's Made a Way.
He's made a way. Okay.
He's Made a Way.
God bless.
Okay.
God
He's Made a
bless.
Way by Arthur Brown.
Okay.
God bless.
God bless you.
Thank you so
And
much.
God willing, next week I'll catch up with you guys again.
All right.
All right. Have a good day.
Yes. I can hear the. You're welcome. Thank you too. I can hear the joy in his voice. Pastor Wiz. Praise God. We're a little late for inspirational thoughts this afternoon, nonetheless. Inspirational tips coming at you. Pay close attention. And of course, at 1:36 we have Bible trivia. Some inspirational tips for you today. When you think you are down for good, simply start affirming, what an advantage to hit bottom. The bottom is as far as I can go. The only direction from here is up, and up I am going. Remember that the most powerful motivation is spiritual motivation. So expose yourself to the spiritual. Break the tension of a problem, but shifting your thoughts completely from it, and instead think only about God. When you return to the problem, your insight will sharpen, your understanding deepen. Eat right, exercise, right thinking, right praying, right living. These tone up vitality. How do you keep enthusiasm going? Form a mental picture of the goal you wish to attain, and another picture of that goal as being already achieved, and you have put wings under the hard toil of trying. As you develop and hold the thought that an adversity can actually be turned to your advantage, you then have an intense mental asset going for you. Yeah.